That's Limón?
No, no, no.
No, that's not Limón? Okay.
No, eso es. Oh, más, pero ¿cómo van a ver pertenecer a Guanacaste? Cadena.
Where the fuck you got that big beer from? Where you got that big one from?
From the store. It was cheap.
I told y'all, everywhere I go, I smoke. The gang out here, them brothers looked out for us, man. Gave me a shot or something. Sheesh. I hit that bottle, waited.
You feel me go down and come back up. See?
That's what they drinking on over here. Muy bien.
Drink one.
Oh, shit. It's a party out here, man. Y'all gotta get out here. These Costa Rica sunsets here different. Damn.
Drippy.
Yeah, y'all don't know. They got that crispy down here. They want 78. Dang. They done woke me up, liven me up with that shit. We're going to zoom in a little bit because I didn't notice that the last time over here. They got that whole little area lit up down over there. Little it's resorts or something over there. But come on, man. Playa Herradura, Costa Rica. You ain't never seen a sunset like this. Told you, baby. Is you riding the drop top with me, man, out here? Come on. Do you wanna ride? In the back seat of my caddy. Or you wanna get on one of them boats and let the waves splash on your ass? Woo! I just seen you. I seen it. I didn't see it. I seen you. I met up on Facebook. I seen it from the app, from the market. That's Costa Rica too. You need to be out here on the boat just sitting with them. You know what I'm saying? You and your people just out there like them. Just sitting, you heard? You know what I'm saying? Enjoying this thing called life, man. Look at that. That's zooming. Oh my God. Yo, you can hit the picture point for me when I put up with you?
And zoom. You want it with just your head, or you want?
You see my head? I need to move back or come in?
I'm a total. Stay right there.
No. Do I need to come in or go back?
Go back, and you can actually see you this time.
Yeah, I want a video.
But go over this way. And post the point you're talking about.
I'm gonna blow it up whenever it's done.
Yes, King is Don King. You said Don King, yes. Don King. You said Don King.
Don King.
Good. Yes, Mr. King.
Ah, shit, Father.
Thank you.
When you stood here the first time, all you could see was your head, but you could see that the sunset.
All right.
It was actually kind of sweet.
You took it?
How you told me?
I look at the island all the way in the back, of course, the rain. Like, but I'm bugging. That's clouds. That's clouds. Oh, hold on, man. Yeah, that's clouds up there. Over there, I'm thinking it's a damn mountain. I ain't no damn. It's clouds. I'm trying to get the island there to the left. Now that back there to the bottom of the left, right above the boat. That and between it all the way over. Don't. That's land. Up on the top right, I thought this mountain was supposed to clouds. Sheesh. What will you do? I'll be right here, right now. Your homeboy that was smoking weed at the other beach, he down there. When I pulled the joint out the first time, he stopped. He said something to me. This is, as you can see, there's a lot. There's enough people out here. They come out on every day to watch this beautiful thing. If you lived here, would you do this every day too? If it was feasible for you? It's relaxing, man. You know what I mean? You spend your day at work, and then you come home, and you eat you some dinner, and you and your family come out to the beach and watch the sunset. Like, what's more relaxing than that? You know what I'm saying? See, they over here, we had the drink, I already showed y'all the alcohol. You know what I'm saying? We got the beers, he got the weed, they got the licks, they got the coconut water man in the back, he got the ceviche. They lit, man. Look, everybody coming outside, man. They love it. We love it. And I can't wait. Do you wanna ride? In the back seat, see when I zoom out, you see how little them boats get quick. They don't even, for that camera angle, it don't look like nothing. And you bring it in. Like, wow. Let y'all see the landscape back there, the houses, whatever they are. Let's look at the mountains, man. All that options, one shot. More than one shot. Get you. Heard? It is video, my face. Just let that sit there, man. Let that marinate.